Knives are cool. And axes too.
I'm Robert Breaker and we are in Tennessee, I believe. We've been traveling and we're on our way home. And I've been in the ministry, going different places and visiting different churches. But we saw this on the side of the road and we're like, how do you not do a video on this? This is the Knife Shoppy. No, the Knife Shop. And we're gonna go inside and check it out, look around. So here we go. Emergency food bars. The rule is always start to the right and go around. If you keep right, you never get left. Cooler arm. That's $100. It's kind of cool. The big deal now is zombie apocalypse. That's zombie apocalypse green. A tactical self-driving shovel. Remember that video I did? This one looks pretty cool. Huh. Those are $25.
Is there a reason your video is
Knives Are Cool and Axes 2 channel.
Okay.
So if you go there, you'll see it. We're gonna post this. This is cool. We're just passing through, but I mean, how do you pass this up?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we'll tell everybody about. Tell us real quick. We're in where? Chattanooga now?
Ooltewah, Tennessee.
Ooltewah, Tennessee, and this is the Knife Shop.
The Knife Shop, Frost Cutlery.
24?
Off 27.
Off 27.
75.
Off 75. So if you're close by, come by and check it out. So far, so good. Enjoying it.
Yeah.
So appreciate
All
it.
right, cool.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
Like I was telling a guy the other day, it used to be people love to collect these, but most of the older guys are dying off. And the younger generation, they just don't collect them. So they're not really worth as much as they used to. It's all about a collector and how much he's willing to pay. But when they all die off in COVID, the value goes down. Here's your Benchmades. Now here's Boker. I'm gonna be doing some more videos on Boker. I like Boker, made in Germany.
48 bucks.
Hey, look, there's the phone number of the place if you want to call it.
This was $100.
I've never heard of that brand. Castrum. Never heard of it. Here's some Damascus steel here. That's pretty cool. The Damascus collection, made in Turkey. That'd be a neat collection for cleaning a deer. You can help prevent forest fires.
Only
Right.
you can prevent forest fires.
Victorinox. Let's see. This is the one we used in our pig killing video, our pig butchering video. Shows you the different kinds of knives. Something neat to see. Here we go. The rosewood handle's my favorite. I like the handle. Here's some cool stuff. Forged things. Look at that. This is for cooking over an open fire. Look, all that's forging equipment, so that's cool. So they must forge here. If you're going backpacking in the woods, you want a little cutting board like that. That's kind of neat. Those are axes for throwing. We've got a lot of cool steel knives. That's a big knife. And it looks like it's made of metal too. That's like a toothpick for Goliath. Here's some Spyderco. Those are nice. Kershaw. I'm not familiar with Reef. Those look like nice knives. These are cool. These are made in France. Opinel. And then over here, we have the Helle. Now they say it's just hell, but I call it Helle. Those are beautiful. Those are some gorgeous knives. I've got 2 of those. And those come from Norway. I like those. I like that brand. So there's some good stuff here. Cool. You got the old Bowie knives down there. Those are cool. Would you like to have one like that? Real big? Wow. It looks almost like Scrimshaw. They've been. Can you like zoom in on that? It's kind of cool how they did those. So lots of cool stuff. If you're ever out this way, come by and check it out.
Knives are cool. And axes too.
Bullseye!